Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less social media. Begin by tracking your current usage for 1 week. Many apps offer built-in trackers, or you can use third-party tools. This initial step helps you identify your primary triggers and understand which platforms consume most of your time. Awareness is the first crucial step towards making meaningful changes and reclaiming your valuable hours. Next, set clear boundaries for your social media use. Try implementing daily time limits, perhaps starting with a reduction of 30 minutes per day. Designate specific no social media zones, like the bedroom or times, such as the first hour after waking. Crucially, turn off all non-essential notifications to significantly reduce constant distractions and regain focus. Now, let's focus on replacing old habits with new, fulfilling activities. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, pick up a book, go for a 20-minute walk, or learn a new skill. Engage in hobbies that require active participation, fostering real-world connections. Prioritize in-person interactions or direct calls with friends and family, strengthening bonds beyond the screen. Finally, maintaining progress is key for long-term success. Regularly review your usage and adjust your strategies. Perhaps reduce your daily limit by another 15 minutes. Consider practicing digital detoxes, starting with a few hours and gradually extending to a full day once a month. Cultivate a mindful approach to technology, ensuring it serves you rather than the other way around.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.